Alright, this is me enjoying my solitude in the tarp that we put up right out in the middle of nowhere. I mean, on the top of a mountain, but we didn't have anything really to prop it up with. So we put up a series of sticks and everything, and put up the star that I got from REI. And I'm just gonna walk with you out here, show you a little bit of the scenery, starring me. This is all about me now. Huckleberry Knob, North Carolina. I'm dizzy. Little dizzy. Let's take a look at this. It's kind of breezy up here, really breezy, and I'm cold, so I'm going back to my little hideaway here, which is right back there. That's my tent. That's Stumpy.